Wrong focus. BOJ says Jamaicans should focus on inflation and not the exchange rate. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, we are ready to talk. PNP says it's not shying away from discussions about crime strategies, even as it labels proposed crime plan as stale and outdated.
Hitting back, Indicom head slams Prime Minister's statement which claims the entity is overzealous at times in investigating the security forces.
On the defense, opposition justifies its position to withdraw participation in vote in NID's bill.
And in business news, need workers. Bank of Jamaica governor says there will soon be more jobs than skilled workers.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And tonight we're asking, do you think dark-skinned, natural hair contestants like Jamaica's Davina Bennett stand a fair chance in the Miss Universe contest?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns right after this break.